Morning, welcome to my channel once again. I'm back to show you next part of the shooting video. This is director from their film.
Yes.
Some bro here.
Hi everyone, tini sang okasak new film ni shoot tani bai. Ang tong director. Hai torbang. Tini ni shin ha. First entry bulan ni. Bai shoot ni tong slide. Tabo kurang na sapagak ni time reserve kali ni tabo kanjuna.
See guys, this is director and support his channel. Okay, I'll give you the link. They are waiting for their partner. Their partner still they didn't camp. That's why they are waiting for their partner. This is actor Tumpa. This guy wearing fly Emirates. Okay. Tumpa Nayok. Real name is Tumpa Nayok. I don't know his real name. I'm calling Chico. Still another actor from any cinema. And this is director. Guys, this is another one. Yesterday, this fellow I didn't introduce to this boy. He is here maybe right now. Please give self introduction here, bro.
My name is Hassan Tripura.
Yeah.
And I'm a part of what to say?
Yeah.
In this film.
Yeah. Great. Yeah. Make subscribe their channel. Okay.
Rock and cinema.
Yeah. Cockroach and East Cinema, guys. I'll give you the link. This description in the description. You can check it out and check it out their video. This fella another one, Bidu Nayak. He is try to finish their film. Guys, they are making their film. Shooting is going on, and this is another fellow. What's your name, bro? Hey, Behro. Yes, Behro. He is trying to be Gunda. Gunda. We are waiting here, staying here and watching. Yeah. Another fellow actor, small actor. What's your name?
Salsa.
What bike is this?
KTM.
KTM? Oh my god. KTM. He was riding KTM. See, new KTM. Oh, new KTM. See guys, there is some people, and this fellow is selling fish, desi fish, fresh, and some kids gather here, and this fellow, one man is buying right now. I'm back to shooting video again. Take a look guys, still not yet finished. Today we are getting disturbed. See, many people are traveling. Always busy in this road. This is our main road. Always getting disturbed when making film. Take a look, guys. We cannot make. They are staying, going on their shooting. Yeah. Lastly guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Those who did not yet subscribe my channel, please you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get upcoming new videos. Thank you very much guys. See you next time.